Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Microsoft Word application back to the default settings inside of Windows 10. This might be helpful if over time you've loaded up Word with templates, custom settings, and add-ons. Resetting all these settings can help speed up or fix a broken Word install. To get started, close Word and then select the search bar at the bottom and type regedit. Once Registry Editor comes up, choose it or hit enter. Next, hit yes on the security window that pops up. Inside of the Registry Editor, we're going to head to a specific Microsoft Word folder. Click the arrow next to H key current user to expand it. Next, expand software. Inside of software, expand Microsoft. Scroll down in here and then choose Office. Inside of here, if you have the latest Office installed, double-click on 16.0. If you have an older version of Office, you may only see 15 and then instead choose that. Finally, inside of this folder, you'll see Word. Right-click on the Word folder and then choose Delete. On the next prompt, choose Yes. This will then delete and reset all of your custom settings inside of Word. After you're finished, you can then close the Registry Editor and reopen Word. And that's how you reset Microsoft Office Word back to the default settings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.